there are two key skills that are necessary in a medium to large analytics team. These two skills are, and sometimes they are specific roles, especially in larger teams. One of them is relationship managers, and the other one is change managers. So let's talk about these. I find that analytics and data science is a young function in the scheme of organizations, and that there's a lot that we have been learning from older disciplines or disciplines that have been around for longer, like finance and HR and marketing, where sometimes in those areas, say in HR, a particular function within the business would have an HR partner, that all of the HR questions, from a data science team, go to one person in the HR team. And then that HR person gets to know the team and the culture and how they work and the type of questions that they have. And they are the liaison with the rest of the HR function. So this HR partner would source the answers and help be able to contextualize the support that the analytics team in this case needs. And that's something that I think we're going to see more and more in analytics and data science, having an analytics partner or a strategic partner, something like that. That would be the main point of contact for the analytical needs of a team, of a function, and there will be like the main point of support. And I think, that will really help. It'll help create relationships, and it'll help improve the dissemination of the analytical knowledge throughout the organization. So I think that will be really good. So then, by having that, the analytics professionals will get to know, or this partner will get to know more about the different areas of the organization and how and the needs that they have from analytics, and have all the requests coming through that one person. So that's on the relationship manager side. These can be internal or external, so externally facing as well. Similar model, and in consulting companies, there might be more. This might be found more often than not. The other one is change management. So essentially, if it's a continuum with relationship management, and it's almost at the other end of the spectrum. So if relationship manager or a partner, an analytics partner, will help you get the request and the understanding at the beginning, then the change management would help the recipient of the analytical work change their processes, change the way that the work is done, change the days and the working life of the people in that area as a result of the analytical output that has been delivered. So having this activation and this movement of changing the operations of a business is often a huge undertaking, and often more times than not, a critical component to getting the value. So being able to change the operations as a result of the analysis. And a micro or a mini example would be in a call center, having leads prioritized when they weren't prioritized before. Like that. So the fact that this hypothetical organization developed the capability to prioritize leads, then there needs to be a change management piece for that to be changed and activated within the call center. So then the people in the call center, say it's an outreach, if they're making the calls, they should be prioritizing the higher value leads that are being identified as high value from the predictive model. So creating that change is an operational change into how the business works, so they can make use and get the value from the analytics. And I think that's another critical component that it may sit within these two components, the relationship manager and the change manager. It might sit within the same person, within the same role. It might be dispersed, but The point that I'm trying to make is that they are critical skills that other functions within organizations that have been around for longer have developed, and they have good structures. I think that we can copy off those structures as an analytical function, and that it will help us have a greater impact and optimize the value that the organization is getting from the work that we do. So please don't think that the work is done when the technical component is done, but there needs to be business change after the fact. So hopefully getting these skills in our teams are going to help us do this in a more streamlined way that will help us get more impact and be more satisfied with the value that we're creating in the organization. I hope this helps. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Hope to see you on the next one.